Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick crash course on kicks. Kicks, much like punches, if you watch my punching video, there's a lot of different types of kicks, just as there's different types of punches. So you can have a snap, you can have a spear, you've got different whipping or chopping actions. You've got the same thing when it comes to your legs, different mechanics for different purposes. You can have a shallow penetration or a deep penetration. You can have a straight angle, or you can have more of a round angle. You can have a side-on thrust, or you can have these crescent type kicks that come at an angle here. You've got different strike surfaces that you'll use. Sometimes you'll use the ball of your foot to impact, let's say, under the chin or into the solar plexus, into the bladder. You could use the bones on the top of the foot there, which is more generally used for into the groin for self-defense. You've got the outside blade of the foot. This isn't used very often, but in old school traditional martial arts, you could use it like so to kick into the throat. So you've got ball of the foot. You've also got the heel. The heel is generally used in a side angle to deep thrust. It's a very hard bone stacked on top of your tibia. It spears and gets a lot of depth penetration, great for body shots. Okay, so I'm just going to play a little bit now. So you've got front kicks, got like a jumping front kick. You can do a switch jumping front kick. You can do crescent kick. Crescent kick, the outside is this is inside, outside, inside, front kick, side snap kick, back kick, and then you've got all these other ones where you kick to the leg. When you kick to the leg, you generally want to employ tactics. You want to wait for your opponent to step heavy on their front or back leg, depending which one you're attacking. So hypothetically, they step heavy. I pull my head, they try to punch me. I pull, that creates an opportunity for me to chop down onto their leg. Because they're heavy on this leg, it's difficult for them to now lift and block. So I can move and low kick. Or I can throw a combination, come in, let's say dummy high, go to the body, hit a hard hook, even if it's onto their guard, shift their weight. When they take the shot, their weight will now be on this leg, then I can chop to that leg. It'll look something like this, here, and then to the leg there. When you come in, you can follow up with a combination. You could come with a hook there, and as this comes across, go to the leg there, go to the body. The combination could end with a knee and an elbow. You can body shot. As they're stumbling back, come in with the leg kick. So it looks something like different tactics you can employ there. Combinations, generally you want to use your hands to set up your legs, or use your legs to set up your hands, because you can threaten the front kick, throw the front kick, throw the hands, threaten the front kick, throw the hands, threaten the front kick, throw the hands, threaten, do different things.